guys, it's me again, Paulo Ramirez, and welcome back to my channel! And yes, for today's video mga kaibigan, it's the third part of the challenge ng Team Wonder Woman and the LS Captains in Numan. And binigay po to na yung Reximus vlog and very nakakaloka. Kasi today's video is ang swimsuit round ng isang beauty queen. But anyways guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe na po kayo. Huwag na po kayo magpatupik-tupik, patnood-nood lang po dyan. Magbabash po kayo, ha? But if you want to watch the part 1 and part 2 of my challenge before, andyan po ang market challenge ng isang beauty queen at ang homecoming ng isang beauty queen na nagrampa po sa baha. Check it down below. Nandyan po provided po ang link po ng mga videos na sinasabi ko. And yes mga kaibigan, today's video po is the swimsuit round ng isang beauty queen. And paano nga ba rumampa ang isang beauty queen? Kasi betlog is shaking and hotdog is hiding. So yun, another na naman mga kaibigan. Bahala na, basta swimsuit kung swimsuit na, laban na tayo mga kaibigan. At takam na po ang bawat isang makita po ang betlog ka. Anyways guys, you are all excited, I know that one. So, huwag na po tayo magpatupik-tupik pa. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Majestic place in sweet people of municipality of Narvacan, province of Ilocos Sur, saying, if you have it, show it. Nang mamatay sila sa inggit.
Jump. Alluring beauty. Tadar, pause. Anay. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Gambling.
Ala, this was to Ito. Aja tayo mayamag ka.
And there you have it, mga kaibigan. Tapos na po ang ating challenge ng ating mga Team Wonder Woman that Team the Captain and as inuman. Woo! Yes, super, very nakakaloka mga challenges ng Wonder Woman. And nag-enjoy naman at the same time, lahat po kayo sana po ay napasaya. And salamat po sa mga sumuporta po sa aming challenge. Salamat po lalo po kay Santo Ryan. Ano na? Charot! But anyways guys, thank you. Ayan, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button para maging updated ka lagi sa aking mga video. And like mo na rin pag nagustuhan mong video nito and comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto nyo makita ng challenge na nag-isang pang ng bayan. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is fine. Bye-bye everyone!